Good afternoon, everyone. So today I'm here in Central Ladprao. I would like to show you around about the food store inside of the Central Ladprao. And there's many food you can see in this video, and also with like street food, with kind of Korean foods, and you can see sticky rice with a mango, and also other desserts, and also here I think the activity, like the pop stars, they are come here, and a lot of people, they are come, you know, maybe their friends. Here's also food like lollipop, chickens, really big chickens, rice, and meatballs. See a meatball. Like this one is the sour fruit, like fermented mango, and with fermented salt with fish sauce. And here's cake. There are many kinds of foods that you come here and see. A bakery, you see, the prices are so really cheap. Bakery just only 55 baht, so it's really cheap. And also here you can see the yellow fresh of a pineapple, grapefruit, and biscuit over there, durian cake, and fruits, the king of fruits, durian, and also you see giant strawberry, grapes, cherries, lychees, guavas, rambutans, rose apples, avocado, orange, mangosteens. There's many fruit. If you look over here, they are selling the soft bread. You can see with the fresh orange juice and coconut, fresh coconut. Yeah. Any kind of food, of juice, raisins, carrot, and bakery. Okay, bread. Sorry. And here's sour fruits again, like fermented mangoes, Chinese noodles, and the cake. It looks like fancy, like, you know, the bright of the color, yellow, purple, orange. It looks yummy. He also does So in Thailand there have a lot of varieties of food, and you can find a very cheapest food in here in Thailand. So I think that is all of this video. So if you think this is useful, consider us to click the subscribe buttons and leave the comment down below. So thank you so much.